Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a video on how to make desktop shortcuts in Windows 11. It's free and easy. And by the way, be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. Okay, let's go ahead and make a desktop shortcut. It's not too hard to do. It's pretty easy using the new Microsoft Windows 11 start menu that has been rolling out recently. Okay, let's go ahead down to our taskbar and left click on the start menu here, and that opens it up. And then first of all, we see a whole lot of apps that have been pinned, and if you right click on them, you'll see no option to make a desktop shortcut. And we can even go over to the right side here and say show all, and it just shows you more apps that have been pinned. So what we want to go ahead and do is find an app that you want to make shortcut of, left click, drag and drop, and that provides you with a shortcut on the Windows 11 desktop. Now if you go ahead and go back to the start menu here, and you don't see an app that you want a shortcut from on your desktop, then we can scroll down and click on View Category, and this shows you a lot of categories here of different groups, but you can't make a shortcut from any of these. You can't drag and drop, and you can't right click and see anything on the menu. So we go over to the right, left click, and you can click on grid or lists. And if you click on the grid, you'll see multiple items here that are installed on your computer, and you can scroll down until you find one that you want to make a desktop shortcut of, and simply left click, drag and drop onto your desktop, just like I did on the clock here. And then we can go back to the start menu, go back over to the right hand side here, scroll down, and on the view we can click on lists, and you can do the same thing, find an app that you want to make a shortcut of. And again, if you right click on that app, the menu has no option for making a desktop shortcut. So you simply left click, drag and drop onto your desktop from the list the app that you want a shortcut on your desktop of. And I did the calculator here, and that's how easy it is. So it's a little bit easier, I think, on the new start menu that Windows 11 has recently been rolling out, and eventually everybody will have the new start menu. But if this video helped you out to make it more clear how to make a desktop shortcut, I'm glad I was able to help you out. All right, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And before you leave, be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated.